Myth number 9, there should be no mica in the coconino. Remember the quote by Sturley. And we have found mica in almost every single slide of the coconino that we've looked at under the microscope. It's everywhere in the formation. In modern deserts, mica gets chewed up really quick. I told you a few minutes ago about the experiment that one of my students did with putting mica-rich sand in a pickle jar, put the airplane propeller on top, and the mica disappeared in 4 days. Well, I had another student that wanted to see what would happen if we put this same sand in water. And so we put the sand in water and put it back in the pickle jar, and this time we turned the pickle jar sideways on a rock tumbler. And we started tumbling this jar around with the mica-rich sand. We figured it wouldn't last very long because, again, the mica is soft and it's going to be running into all these sand grains and so forth. A year later, we finally turned the experiment off. A year later, we could still see, shiny little flecks of mica in there. And it was tumbling around very, very constantly. And what is the lesson? Deserts chew mica up very fast. And this is well known. It's published in the literature in several different places. But mica is a common ingredient of ocean sand. Like if you go to the beach or look at the sands on a delta or underwater somewhere, mica is a very common component of sand being deposited in water. And the coconino has lots of mica in it. And so it's one more evidence that the coconino is made underwater.